Hey, hi Bangalore. Namaskara. This is Suman from Dr. Avery Receiver. So today I'm came with an Avante 3100D. So the regular demandings for an service. So I came with an board here. So the two boards are here. So one is from Andhra. The customer given as there is no sound output, and this is for this systems, and even in this also there is no sound output. Tried with ICs and all, but still there is no sound output. So but and even the Zebronic series also, the board design will be same series, same design only. The Zebronic make also the one board will come same model like this. So if anyone requires regarding this board Avante 3100D, and we'll plan to sell the board also, we're planning for that also. We have a lot of boards for that. By in exchanging only, send your old board, and we'll give a new board. This is what from our Dr. Avresser we are doing right now. And for if anyone requires service also for the same board, even that too possible. So kindly send the board to our location, and we will give you a new board for you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone.